Hello, good afternoon. Storm Caroline may have pulled away, but she's plunged us all into the freezer. Cold winds across the country today with scenes like this in some places, but not for everyone. Many places will just see the odd flake of snow and largely sunny skies, especially central, eastern and southern parts of England, where we'll see the lion's share of sunshine during the rest of Friday. But just about anywhere could see a flake or two of snow, the odd snow flurry, whilst it's northern and western parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales and the West Midlands, we're likely to see some fairly frequent snow showers coming and going through Friday. And those snow showers will be building up with a snow covering likely at lower levels in places, quite variable cover, but significant covering over the Welsh mountains, higher ground of Northern Ireland, as well as the Scottish mountains. So a few centimetres at lower levels, 10 to 20 centimetres over the tops of the hills. A yellow warning in force because those kinds of snow amounts can cause disruption, and the wind will be cold for all of us today, with temperatures barely above freezing where we see those snow showers coming and going. And they'll continue to come and go through the hours of darkness. By this stage, temperatures will be rapidly falling away. Any places where we'll see showers coming and going, there'll be that risk of freezing surfaces and slippery pavements and so on by the start of the weekend. Away from the showers, though, there'll be plenty of clear skies, and of course temperatures will plunge fairly widely below freezing, but where we've got the snow cover, well below freezing. A bitterly cold start to the weekend, a freezing start, but a beautiful start in many places. If you're wrapped up warm, lots of sunshine to be had. More so than Friday, I suspect, because there'll be fewer snow showers. They'll be easing away. I think it won't be building up quite so much. Most of them will be confined to the north of Scotland, one or two trickling into Wales and the west again. But temperatures everywhere feeling cold, whether you've got the sunshine or the snow. And over any snow-covered fields, temperatures will stay below freezing throughout daylight hours. Now, we keep that freezing air over us through Saturday night, and that deep cold air will sit quite stubbornly across the UK as Atlantic weather fronts try and push in by the start of Sunday. Now, these bring with them mild air and rainfall, but as the rainfall moves in, well, a classic battleground setup begins on Sunday, with the rain turning to heavy snowfall for Northern Ireland, parts of North Wales and the Midlands in particular. Now, this heavy snow through central areas could cause disruption, with as much as 20 centimetres likely in places. Amber warning in force because a real cause for concern here with those amounts of snow through central parts of Britain. It neatly divides the country in two, though, with Scotland and the far north of England, as well as northern parts of Northern Ireland, seeing largely bright but freezing air, and to the south, well, much milder air, although very blustery winds, and gusts will exceed 50 miles an hour, with fairly heavy showers of rain moving through. A yellow warning in force here for the winds because, again, they have the potential to cause disruption in one or two spots. Lots going on this weekend, with warnings in force for different parts of the country, so you can always keep up to date with the latest on the weather warnings, the weather forecasts as well, through the Met Office website, through our app and via our social media channels. Bye-bye.